These are packaging machines, which can be either semi-automatic bell type that allow for both welding and heat shrinkage in a single step, or angular packaging machines that allow for product welding, often accompanied by a tunnel to carry out heat shrinkage. All of them are used with single-wound film, i.e., rolls of double-layered film with an open front side for product insertion. This front side can be made of polyolifine, suitable for technical and food products, cryovac, a type of transparent and professional film, or PVC, a material that contracts at low temperatures. Both technical and food-grade PVC are available, with the technical grade used for brief component packaging and the food grade for food packaging, and a thickness of 30 millimeters. The heat shrinkage process works as follows. The product is first packaged in a special film by the operator. The product, covered by the film, is then exposed to a heat source inside the bell. This causes the film to shrink and adhere perfectly to the product itself. Regarding belt-type packaging machines, there are various semi-automatic models, including those in the FP series, which feature adjustable impulse welding with a Teflon-coated blade and adjustable work surface with a sliding cart and a microfilm perforator. For this series, there are two models available. The volume in the chambers cannot be completely filled by the box or the product to be packaged, as there always needs to be space for the passage of hot air around the product. The RP series models come in different sizes and powers. We have the 40, 55, and 85 models. The 85 model is the best in terms of quality-price ratio, thanks to its internal chamber size and power. It has two internal fans, allowing us to shrink wrap and seal larger necks. They generally have a solid steel structure, state-of-the-art electronics with a front control interface, intuitive programming, more space in the packaging area, and a series of technical features that further improve performance. On the other hand, the minimal packaging machine is designed for medium to small production realities. It has very compact dimensions, but still performs the job perfectly. All functions of the machine are displayed and controlled electronically thanks to the digital panel. For those who need to work with food products, there is another model of machine, as well as the Synesis, a stainless steel model, which presents a new system of force ventilation located at the back of the machine and allows to have a constant temperature without risk of overheating. As far as the bell models are concerned, there are also in reality automatic models, therefore with automatic closing of the bell and tape for the expulsion of the product. Once heat shrinked, for all series the choice of the size is important. Must take into account the dimensions of the boxes, more precisely height and depth, but leaving a margin of the material of about 10 centimeters to allow the machine to work continuously. You can also add various options such as a larger reel holder, an air jet that allows us to keep open the single fold film, and others that encase they are defined at the time of purchase. As for the angular packaging machines, they allow to obtain perfectly welded envelopes using normal single fold film, are suitable for this reason to be used in laundries, shirts, but also for food products with bread packaging. Here we have the BS models that are distinguished by the closing of the sealing bar, this because one has a manual closing, while the other is pneumatic. In most cases are accompanied by a tunnel that after welding makes the shrinkage. Here we have one example. This is the model BS, which has resistances in stainless steel, thermoregulator for temperature regulation from 0 to 200 Celsius, potentiometer for the regulation of feed speed, and its structure is complete with wheels for easy handling. There are also several series available for the tunnels, such as the Digit 50 Inix version, entirely made of stainless steel, ideal for the needs of the food and pharmaceutical industry.